Let's bring in the options expert, Market Rebellion co-founder Jon Najarian. Jon, so let's start with one of the big names that you're following, and that's Rigetti.
Sure, and Rigetti, this one is one of those that has options that are out into the future, Cheryl. By that I mean many of the options that we've seen in the quantum computing space have been very short term. They've been primarily in November and December, and so those options are virtually gone at this time. But there was nonetheless a lot of people that were participating in those big runs that you just described, and Rigetti is one that I own that I really like the looks of this one. I think anytime you see a stock that has gone up by 1,000% or 2,500%, you and I would say, Cheryl, that it's probably wise to not expect that to continue forever.
Yeah.
You're going to see pullbacks, but I will say these guys, I think, are among the best positioned, and that's why that and the fact that they own options going out into May of 2025. That's one of the reasons that this one I'm still holding right now.
Yeah, timing is always so tricky with this type of trading as well. What about quantum computing?
Well, quantum computing is one of these things, of course, that that's QUBT. Fabulous performance. As you know, it's zeros and ones. That's what the internet's made of. That's what computing was made of until quantum computing. And quantum computing has been like that brass ring that everybody would love to grab, but it's difficult to do because instead of zeros and ones, it's zeros, ones, and both at the same time. So there are so many different ways that you can basically packetize this data so that you can move much faster. And that's what these guys at quantum computing, or QUBT, that's what they have been building. The only quantum computer, by the way, right now, Cheryl, is right here in my head, in your head, in the heads of everybody watching us.
Yeah.
Because even though they understand how they can make a quantum computer, no one has successfully done that yet.
Yeah.
So these are all things that are being built out for the future. I think the future is bright, just like it is for AI. And that's why people are really gravitating towards these stocks right now, even into year end.
Well, and that's why there was so much excitement with Willow when that chip was introduced as well. So before you go, I've only got about 30 seconds here, but options plays for D-Wave.
Well, yeah, D-Wave, we've had a lot of buyers in there. That's a very popular way to play it, and you nailed it. Google with the Willow chip, that is a super fast processor, and that's going to make some of this happen for all of these companies, for NBIS, for QUBT, QBTS, and for Rigetti, RGTI. You need something like that, as well as an endorsement from JP Morgan, which they got when JP Morgan put $300 million into Continuum. So,
all right.
Yeah, we'll be talking about this a lot in 2025.
Thank you, Jon. Appreciate it. Happy New Year's to all of you at home. Taylor